Hello, and my name is Dr. Catherine Luib. My greatest desire is to help the sick get well and the well to stay healthy, holistically. I believe the key to obtaining these goals is through receiving regular chiropractic care. Regular sessions with acupuncture and regular intake of organic whole foods, herbs, and vitamin supplements as insurance to good nutrition. My mission is to powerfully serve my community by connecting my practice members with their own innate healing power through holistic medicine, health education, and lifestyle motivation. As a board-licensed doctor of chiropractic and board-licensed acupuncture physician, I am confident I can deliver to you integrated holistic medicine that works effectively. For several years, I had an amazing and exciting opportunity to travel the world on cruise ships and deliver traditional Chinese medicine as an onboard cruise ship doctor to thousands of cruise guests while on their vacations. Helping others successfully achieve their health goals gives me great satisfaction. I believe in being the example of health, keeping up to date with continuing education, making positive, long-lasting relationships with you as my patients, and giving you the health motivation that you need to succeed with your personal health goals.